Hi, boys and girls. Today we will continue to talk about Benjamin Franklin, and we will be doing an interview. We are going to pretend that you are going to pretend that you are Benjamin Franklin answering questions during an interview. Now, there are no wrong or right answers, but we're going to have to use the information that we know about Benjamin Franklin to answer the questions. The first question would be, please tell us about an early event that had a big influence on you. So if you think about Benjamin Franklin and his life story, what would be something that would be a big event that maybe changed him or influenced him? So you're going to answer that question as if you were Benjamin Franklin, and then share your answer with someone who's there with you. After you give your answer, I want you to think about what character trait did that help you learn? Did it help you learn commitment or perseverance? Your next question is, what contribution are you most proud of, and why was it important? Now think about all of the different things that he did. He invented several items, he was an author, so he wrote a lot, and he also was a statesman and had a very large portion or part of being part of the Declaration of Independence and the writing of the Constitution. Again, the second question here is, what citizenship trait was this important to achieve? And please explain how you used that trait. Remember, again, those two traits are commitment and perseverance. Your last question, remember, answering like Benjamin Franklin, is, what advice would you give to help children who want to make the world a better place?